Hello, YouTube. After 3 years, this is EverythingEpan, and I am back. Who would have ever thought, honestly, that this day would have came? As you can see, I have pulled up the comments from my last activity on my channel. Not a video, but a post saying that I was going to be away for the weekend and back to posting content on that following Monday. And this was back in June 2019. It is now August of 2022. And a lot has gone on the last 3 years. But as time went on and reading through comments on and off throughout the past few years, I knew it was time to make a return. Throughout the past few years, I've just didn't have much passion to be creating content, and obviously that has affected my channel in a lot of ways. Of course, you hadn't seen any uploads from me in this very long time period, and we're here to change that. And I'm going to be recording this video all in one take, no pauses, no nothing. I'm just going to say everything that I'm feeling, in the moment. Not going to do any pauses or any cuts. But again, as I had mentioned, just throughout the last few years, it's kind of just built up more and more to me that I need to start making videos again. I've been reading your guys' comments. As you can see here, I'll keep scrolling a little bit. And also just been having friends, acquaintances of mine, telling me that I should make content again. And, after all that buildup, I think now I've made the right decision and that it's time to make a return. So I'm sure one of the first things you may think of is, well, what do you, what's going to happen with the channel? What is there to expect? I will continue doing VirtualBox VMware videos as you guys mainly tune in for. May continue some of the betas that I had left off with when I was doing the videos on those 3 years ago. Windows Me, Windows Memphis, Whistler, those kinds of things. Of course, there may be some repeats, some updated tutorials as I've done previously, just more of an up-to-date type of thing, since obviously new versions of software has come out and everything, and things, some things may have changed. But also, I had thought of the idea to also try and do live streams once in a while of VirtualBox and VMware. So I'd like your feedback on that in the comments, if that's something you guys would be interested in tuning into. Not sure on, how often I'd want to do those or any frequency for those, but that is something I had thought about doing. Since I had streamed previously, I had done Fortnite streams before and some gaming streams, and obviously, that kind of tunes people out because this is mainly a channel where you've tuned in for the VirtualBox and the VMware tutorials. So, once in a while, still may do some gaming related stuff, since that's obviously still a big part of my life. I do like to game, but I would like to actually think about starting to do some VirtualBox and VMware live streams on YouTube. So again, let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. If that's something you guys would be interested in watching, it's definitely something I will consider in my content. Another thing to cover would be the frequency of my uploads and content. I would like to try and get back on the Monday, Wednesday, Friday that I had aimed for when I had left or for last uploaded content. Now, I can't promise it's going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday right off the bat. Obviously, I want to try and get back into the swing of things of making content, and but by a month to 2 months from today, I'd like to be consistently in that period of doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday uploads and content. And those Fridays may be some of the days where I would do some of those streams. That would be the best out of those days to do it for me. But some of the times, I may do a Friday stream instead of an upload. So that should be actually entertaining if that's something, again, you guys are interested in. Will there be any additional content or new content? That still, to me, is undetermined. Different things may come up. If you guys have any suggestions, certainly can also leave those in the comments down below. Can't guarantee I will upload every single suggestion, but I will definitely take every suggestion into consideration. So let me know what you guys would like to see other than the VirtualBox VMware tutorials, or if there's any specific VirtualBox or VMware tutorials you guys would like to see. Let me know in the comments. But I mainly just wanted to get this video out to let you guys know that I am alive. I'm not dead, and we're gonna get back onto the grind. We're gonna start getting videos out for you guys again. I will say this is just kind of an initial I'm coming back video. The first scheduled video or video that I will have of any kind of a tutorial or any kind of content will come out on Monday, August 15th. And that's where I will start to try and again get into that Monday, Wednesday, Friday rotation there. Sure, I'll be able to do that the first week. But again, obviously, will still take me some time to get into things. But with that being said, I'm hoping that clarifies everything about the returning here and the fact that I am still here, even though I have not uploaded in the last 3 years. I have still tuned into the comments every once in a while, and again, that's really what one of my big factors of wanting to make content was again. So everyone that's continued to tune into the videos, anybody that has subscribed since then, I certainly appreciate everybody's support. To this day, still means a lot to me, the fact that this channel has been made possible and that my name is made possible because of you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys are excited for the return. And we'll be back to uploading videos on the 15th. But wanted to get you guys a little bit on the hype train here for that week and a half period. And, give you at least something to look forward to. So I do appreciate you guys tuning into this video. And it's good to be back. And excited to see what the future of this channel brings and where things can go from here. So the 15th can't come soon enough. But thank you everybody for tuning into this video. Thank you for everybody that's been viewing, subscribing, commenting, liking content, and just can't thank you guys enough for still trying to, stick with me even with all the doubts in the past few years. And I do appreciate everybody watching here. I will see you guys on the 15th. Welcome back to Everything EPAN.